Jengala Wangyo Lodro Bumsan Yishi Duze Tenzin Celon Zo Zebe Pajo Chana Bemo Sewa Deb. Today I will share you a story. This story actually it is written in the Buddhist scriptures. The story is that there was one criminal and he was punished by a king, and the king put a bowl of oil on his head, and king asked a guard to stand next to him, and king ordered to the guard that if he spills a single drop of oil from the bowl, then cut down his throat. So this criminal was very scared. He paid his full attention on his head, and he did not allow to spill any single drop of oil from the bowl. So that is the conscience, that is the mindfulness. So what is conscience? Conscience means in our daily life we are using the term, English term called the careful. Then what is mindfulness? Mindfulness means in daily life regularly our mind distracts here and there. Our mind goes here and there. When our mind distracts, it doesn't stay on the present moment. It goes to the past time or it goes to the future time. So if your mind is able to stay on the present moment, then that is the mindfulness. So these two things, mindfulness and consciousness, these are the mental tools that we need in our daily life in order to live happy life, in order to live ethical life with others and for oneself, in order to make a beautiful life. We need these mental toolkits. If you look at the carpenter, he needs a nail and hammer. He needs a basic requirement tools in order to make a beautiful chairs and tables. So similarly, in our daily life, we need a mindfulness and consciousness in order to make a beautiful life, in order to live a happy life and ethical life with others and for oneself. So therefore, I would like to say that wherever you go, wherever you live, whatever you do in your daily life, please be mindful and use your consciousness. Thank you.